This conference will not be serving its purpose if we do not talk about the education of Afghan girls. Because Afghanistan is the only country in the world where girls are completely banned from education beyond grade 6. For the past 3.5 years, the Taliban have ripped away the right to learn from every Afghan girl. They have weaponized our faith, to justify it. The Taliban are explicit about their mission. They want to eliminate women and girls from every aspect of public life and have issued more than 100 laws to strip away women's rights, including their right to education, employment, healthcare, and every basic freedom you can think of. Their cruelty knows no bounds. Under their system of gender apartheid, the Taliban are punishing women and girls who dare to break their obscure laws by beating them up, detaining them, and harming them. Simply put, the Taliban do not see women as Muslim leaders. Now is the time to raise your voice. Use your power. You can show true leadership. You can show true Islam. Afghan women and girls must be free to shape their own future. The very loudest champions of their cause must be fellow Muslims, leaders such as yourselves. This conference and your presence today is an encouraging first step. But we can only have an honest and serious conversation about girls' education if we can call out the worst violations of it. When we talk about the crises in Palestine, Afghanistan, Yemen, Sudan, and many other Muslim countries, rarely do we focus on how the entire future of girls is stolen. Their education is taken away.
Thank you very much, Malala, for your powerful words and your continuous efforts towards ensuring that every